Hi friends, welcome to Southern Menu. This is Neetu. Today we are going to prepare a non-veg recipe, pepper chicken. Let's see what are the ingredients you need to make pepper chicken. Here I took one large onion and sliced it. Then you need green chili. I took one green chili and sliced into two. Then you need curry leaves. Then chopped coriander leaves. Then you need lemon juice. I took half of a lemon. Then chicken. Here I took 250 grams of chicken and marinated with salt and turmeric powder for almost 1 hour. Then for masala you need 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. You can adjust it according to the spiciness. Then you need half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and also 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I took homemade ginger garlic paste. I have included recipe in description box. You can check it out. Let's see how to make pepper chicken. First take a kadai and heat it. Then you need to add little oil and let it heat. Then add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then add green chili and also add sliced onions and curry leaves. Now saute it well. Now the onion became slightly brownish in color. If you want, you can close this with a lid and cook it further. Now you have to add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this well till the raw smell goes. Saute this onion in medium flame so that it will get cooked properly. Now reduce the flame and add turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala and saute it for few minutes. Now add marinated chicken. I have already added salt in chicken, so I'm not adding it separately. If you didn't add salt in chicken, you can add it now and saute it well. Give everything a good mix. Here I am making dry pepper chicken so that I am not adding water. If you want to make gravy, you can add water now and cook it. Open the lid and check it whether it is cooked properly or not, because we didn't add any extra water, so there is a chance to get burned. So make sure that you are checking frequently. Always cook chicken in low flame so that all the masala get absorbed into the meat. so it tastes well. Don't cook it in high flame. Now again close the lid and cook the chicken few more minutes. Now our chicken is almost cooked. Now you have to add crushed pepper. Here I took 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. You can adjust it according to the spiciness, how much you want. Here I didn't add it completely because I feel this is enough for me. Mix everything well till the raw smell of pepper goes. Make sure you're cooking in low flame. Now you have to add lemon juice. Here I took half of a lemon. Again mix everything well. Now add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. And finally our delicious pepper chicken is ready. You can serve this with chapati or paratha or naan or even hot rice. I hope all of you will try this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please share it with your friends. Happy cooking!